There we are.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a
Tornado,
warning
wow.
for southern Knox County, northwestern Fulton County until 7:30 p.m. At 7 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Avon, or 17 miles south of Galesburg, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. A tornado has been confirmed by brain spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Abingdon and London Mills around 7:15 p.m., Knoxville, McQuan, and Gilson around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Delong, St. Augustine, Middle Grove, and East Galesburg. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 50 and 58. You are with...
Another one.
It's coming on the radio.
Isaac issues tornado warning.
Here we are.
Expires tornado warning. Isaac, it just issued another tornado warning. It just issued another one, Isaac.
That's for Morgan County. This is on the radio.
Hey, it just expired it, Isaac.
I know.
Yeah, the tornado just repeated it out.
This is my radio.
Yeah, well, it just expired.
No, that's the old one.
Oh. I'm gonna try to see.
There's a new one in effect.
Well, I'm gonna see if I can find it. Is it a confirmed tornado, Isaac?
Yeah, it is.
Wait,
Shh. I'm trying to record this.
yeah, I see the new tornado. Yeah, it's a perfect tornado. You can see it.
Okay, guys, that was my radio on my iPod anyways, guys. I was setting it to 105.7 FM here. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.